everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to use a cool baby face CapCut template, baby face TikTok trend tutorial. So click on the template and then you have to search the template on the search column. I will search baby face trend TikTok, and this is the template. Click one of them and then click use template. Choose the picture. I want to choose Lisa pictures here and then click next. And this is the result. If you want to remove the watermark here, you can export, then click export without watermark. So this is how to use cool baby face CapCut template, baby face TikTok trend tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.